Greetings and welcome back to The Pride. My name is Muphasa El Matador. They call me the Curious Cat. My job is pretty simple. I help you catch the momentum. And today I'm going to show you guys how I doubled my money on SOFI. SOFI. So we decided to switch up the momentum series and only do our home runs. These are the plays that we do 100% on. The market is completely bearish right now. However, there's still a lot of money to be made. You just have to trade a perfect setup. First, the catalyst. On Monday, Piper Sandler upgraded SOFI from overweight to neutral and also increased the price target from $10 to $12. On top of that, they actually picked up a lot of shares. So I briefed on that in the Pride. All you have to do to join the Pride is hit the Patreon link below, and you can come see how we trade, join an amazing family of traders. We do the simple things consistently. We have analysts, researchers, traders, investors, the whole lot. So we briefed on it on Monday. The upgrade came through, and on the right side, maybe your left, depending on where you are, you can see that I got into SOFI options, the $7 strike, expiring May 27th. Catalyst. I saw the setup for SOFI. It had run up and then there was a sharp sell-off down to about $7.20. At that point, I briefed the team showing that they were going to have an opportunity to get in on the $7 strike. Then we got in and SOFI was trading really good. But as always, we already had our ice line at the top, 756. SOFI hit the ice line and got rejected. Then it started trading in a very nice momentum all the way back. And I called in the team saying that if it broke the 750, we should expect to see it come back to hit it at support. If it hit at support, then the bull will take us to 775. Lo and behold, it traded perfectly, came back to support. Once I saw that they were holding support at 750, I knew that we were going to have this breakout. It hit 770. At that point, I think I was up 99%. I held on to it until I hit my goal of 100%. Then I took profits. You can't be greedy in this type of setups. However, it traded all the way to 799. You have to think like a million people. As discussed earlier in the video, you have to trade perfect setups, especially in these current market conditions. Plan the trade, trade the plan, look for a good catalyst, and just execute, right? So first things first, this was yesterday. Yesterday was one of the worst days in the market since the pandemic of March 2020, but it didn't start off that way. So if I came up, boom, all the way and hit resistance at 750. This was 18th of May. I'm still holding my calls, but it got rejected, right? I used the blue line to represent ice. Ice is where resistance and support are on the same level. Here it serves as resistance. It stops the flow upwards and it broke down completely with the rest of the market. And then I noticed pre-market, it was having some momentum, but immediately the market opened, it shot up really good. And I was excited about this trade, but then it broke down and I saw the opportunity, briefed the team that there was an opportunity to play the $7 strike. I doubled down, increased my position. I'm going to switch this to the 1 minute so that you can see how it all played out and how I was able to double my money. So we go back to the beginning of the day, right? Trade comes out, boom, 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 fresh out the blocks, and then it breaks down and creates this massive buy opportunity for people to pick up the dip. Now, that is risky in and of itself, but any classic trader knows you only buy the first dip. Every day when we play the momentum, we only buy the first dip. So this was so many red candles. It fell below the 21 and the 50 EMA. At this point, I briefed the team and I doubled down and picked up a bunch of calls for the $7 strike, May 27th. Now, it hit resistance right here at 750 again, and you're expecting this thing to completely capitulate. but it stopped at the 21 EMA. And then I picked up a trend line when I saw the reversal. The accumulation got me excited because it held the trend, and I knew we are going to have a retest of 750. It hit 750, and instead of being rejected, it broke above. And so now I'm excited, right? Now we have a play that has broken resistance, and I'm trying to see where this thing goes. So I tell the team, if it breaks down and resistance becomes support, which is my ice line, then you can see the bulls take over and run it to the next level at 775. And immediately it held at the ice line. The buying momentum came in and the bulls just took this thing all the way. At 770, I was already at 90 something percent. It broke down again, and you can see the ice line hold as support. The selling pressure stops right when it gets to the line. The buyers step in. The market is honeycombed with buy and sell orders. And it's like a self-fulfilling prophecy because so many people like me are looking at the same levels and acting on it. They buy and they sell. You have to think like a million people. Nobody wants to be the guy holding the bag. So whenever they see it hit resistance, selling pressure always comes in. So they took off from support. The bulls rode it all the way to 775. Selling pressure came in, hit the 21 EMA, bounced, came back. And I call these the cowboy traders because these guys are already buying in at a really high level. The cowboys came in and they traded it all the way to almost $8. $7.99 was the high of the day. And I'm going to switch this back to the 5-minute candle. That's how I was able to trade a perfect setup. First with the catalyst, go in whenever I saw my buy signals, get out when I saw my sell signals. I hit the home run. In the last 52 weeks, I have 52 home runs. You can see that on my Instagram page. All of the links are at the bottom of this particular video. Hit the Patreon link to come join us. We're an amazing family. We do the simple things consistently. You can have access to my Instagram page, what else is there? Yeah, hit the Robinhood link and get free stock. It's literally free money. Your money's not supposed to be in a bank. All they do is trade with it. With that said, my name is Muphasa El Matador. Until next time, peace.